Okay, so coming to the next exercise, exercise 2, pivot tables. So what Cyrus told us to do is first you have to create a pivot table and then you have to validate whether the answer is same with some if uh, function. For that you have to, um, I think I'll create a pivot table first. Okay, so just select your pivot table, insert pivot tables, pivot chart, selects the range, and I'm putting it in the existing sheet so that you can see it. Okay, so I didn't put a location just a minute. So I've added a location. Okay, so this is it. So as I told you in the last one, just add a group segment, then add revenue, add expenses, and we don't need this, but yeah, looks good. So so we've got our answers through the sum of the expenses revenue through this, okay, through the pivot table. Now you have to use the sum if function. So equal to sum if, then you click this. Now you have to select the range. So it's in the revenue thing that we're searching and we want big, so we'll choose the range, the entire range. Okay, and yeah, okay, you've chosen the range, then you do comma, then you do inverted commas. Now this one is big, right? So just write big and make sure the capital letters and all is the same. Okay, and now the sum range. So sum range is the column with the data in it. So revenue we want, so we'll select revenue. Okay, I could have done it easily, but one of my hands busy catching the microphone. Okay, now yeah, and press enter. So you got the first answer. Select both, like if you see both of them are the same. Now since the columns and that will the columns will not change, so just press F4 and make it static. Same thing with the other column, make it static. Okay, enter. Now just copy this. So you'll be like, why is it showing the same thing? Yeah, because you've not changed the group segment name. So just change it to medium since you want medium, and the next one change it to small. Okay, enter. So here you go, see your revenue. Now the same thing you have to do for expenses. Sum if, then you choose your range this time, just choose the entire thing otherwise. Okay, comma, then the criteria, just a minute, you want the criteria, so now you want big, right? So big, sorry, big, and then the sum range. So sum range is expenses over here, so you choose your expenses and then you close the bracket and enter. Now you want this as static again because the same thing will be used down. Okay, so here you go, enter. Now you just pull this, drag it down and change big to medium. Sorry, see, spelling mistake, but still it took it. Oh, it's okay, I guess, but still perfection. Yeah, and small. Oops, what's wrong? Yeah, so you got your answers. If you want a sum, just write equal to sum. Just select all three, enter. equal to sum, select all three and enter. So here you go, it's done.